talagang binibigay ko. I am trying to do better every day, trying to improve, and I do listen to all of the comments on social media, my teams, and also the media who are messaging me, suggesting things for me, and I really take that in heart and in my mind. And I talagang masasabi ko, kahit taga-probinsya ko, there is something na abang-abang in the future, and I will not disappoint you guys. We all know that Boracay is a much-awaited event for Miss Universe. It is an opportunity for us to really show our lambak, to be sexy, to be really charismatic, and I really practiced with my pasarela. Talagang binago ko because I had experiences or I had comments from other people who said like, oh, we want something more from you. They said, we want you to show us something that is unique, a little extra, And I really tried my best, and I am gonna try to show that in Boracay, and definitely something medyo nakakahilo. Yun lang masasabi ko, nakakahilo na performance in Boracay.